So, this was our term.
Stop! Wait a minute. But what was in the beginning? In the very beginning?
So, many people know there was a point for a big explosion called the Big Bang. But how would you react if I said that this is only partially true? Yes, this unknown tiny point is only a visualizing model, which helps us to better understand the start of the observable universe. Only a tiny part of the whole.
How did the entire universe arise then?
To understand it, let's do a visualizing experiment.
Here we have a balloon. Now imagine that you are an ant-man. Walking forwards on the balloon surface, you will notice that in some time you get back to the place where you started from. You won't stop by anything. Furthermore, you can travel in all directions without encountering any borders. Meanwhile, if there are other tall ant-men and I begin to inflate the balloon, the distance between you will increase. So that's how it actually was. The universe has always been endless, but in the beginning it had infinite density and temperature according to Einstein's theory of relativity, which is called singularity. And once upon a time, each point in space started to move away from each other because smaller and more space began to appear between them. This caused the universe to become less dense and colder over time. But what actually caused this expansion? No one knows exactly yet. It could be due to quantum fluctuations or the collapse of the previous universe. But what scientists do know is what happened after the Big Bang. The universe expanded at least 10 to the power of 76 times, that is, if you were increased to growth of 1/5 of the diameter of the observable universe. It was called inflation. Then was the quark era, when a great battle between 1 billion matter particles and 1 billion antimatter particles took place. And after that, the dark era, when atoms were being formed, and finally, photons began to travel across the entire universe.
Thank you for watching and be the first to be with you.